everybody. Here we go. We're going to do the unboxing to the 69 Cobra Fastback Torino for the 50s and 60s on Steelies group builders. This one right here. I know everybody knows which one this is. Hopefully you guys can get a good look on it. This is put on by JT. I got very good light over there. JT, I need my garage time. Going over and check him out, guys and girls. If you ain't checked him out already, you won't be disappointed. JT's a pretty cool guy. So first things first, we're going to go through this box right here. Everything's still in the bag. So we're going to just kind of take everything out and set that right there. We're going to go through it. All right, first things first is we got the glass here. Comes with the rear's in red. You got the windshield, back windshield, back glass there. It's pretty cool. The only thing I don't see is I don't see the headlight glass, so that means it's going to be molded into the grill. Sorry about that. And here's the tires with it. We got some pretty good racing slicks with it. Got 4 of them. I don't know why we got 4. Maybe we can make this into a race car if you wanted to. But it's got 4 drags in it. Some nice looking tires there. And next thing we're going to get into is this bag right here. Let's see what all we got in this thing. Oh yeah, this one does have the roll cage in it. It's got a couple of pieces holding on in there. Alrighty. Now this kit's got a lot of stuff in it. As you can see, let me move you a little bit closer so maybe you can see a little bit better. It's got 2 dashes here. We have, looks like a drag racing dash, and then we have the factory style dash. That's pretty cool. The hood scoop here, like a lower intake, one of the Steelies for the back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We can go one of 2 ways. We can go stock or we can go racing. So we'll figure out which way we're going here shortly. Racing seat, back of the racing seat here, and this is the roll cage that's in there, which is pretty good. Comes with that one there, and this side right here is part of one side of it, and then this is the other side of it. Chances are we're going to be using that. And the other Steelie for the back. Looks like an oil catch, something right there. Got center console. Looks pretty cool, pretty nice right there. This is going to be an interesting build right here. This little piece right here was laid up in the bag, so if you guys get one of these, let it know you're gonna have pieces trying to escape. All right, let's move on to the next bag. There we go. And here we have, it's going to be the stock interior rear seat, the back seats of the backings of the front seat here. Another one of those Steelies there, which is the theme here. We're looking at these Steelies. It's got a nice little hood on it. That's a pretty good piece there. And this looks like we have Some air induction pieces, looks like, for the air breather. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's a rear spoiler. Rear wing. That'd be cool. We have the exhaust here. And the headers, the air intake, lower air intake. Yeah, this is a pretty nice little set of stuff here. Then we have the engine here. 2 halves. Look at old style. Look at 4-speed intakes. A couple of different intakes here. The battery, water pump. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty nice right here, guys. Kind of looking forward to this build right here. I did it last year with JT. I did 2 of them with him. Thought it was pretty cool. I like these older style cars. So what we got here? We got the chassis. Now the rear end's molded into it. Right here. It's got the shocks. It's kind of hard to show you. Everything's molded in, the shocks, the rear end. Kind of don't really like that a little bit, but it is what it is. But everything's got good detail under here, though. Very little flashing. Very little. The interior of the car. The door panels, I don't know if you can see them very well. The door panels they're bland. Of course, it's a drag car, so you probably gonna get much out of it. But other than that, I mean, the tub looks pretty good. Then we have the old Torino body here. Looks pretty good. We got good. The mold lines are not bad. They probably use a little more scribing in there. Get this piece here out. Got a little bit of a line here. And a line here, mold lines there, so let's get those out. Other than that, it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. A little line up pins here for that, so this body will set down on there pretty good, which is pretty good because that's what the Chevrolet truck I just finished for the zombie group build had. It's kind of hard to misalign them when they do that. There we go. Now we got the chrome tree here. Yeah, and they do have the headlights are molded in. They don't got they're not clear. You could probably take care of that if you wanted to. There's a ways, I'm sure. Now the rear here, you put your red lights in from the back side. It looks like here, the red plastic we seen earlier. It's got 2 different sets of wheels. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I probably won't be using them, but we got 2 different sets there. We got some headers, dual intake. Yep, nice little breather cap here. It's not bad for it. And the chrome tree is it's chromy. And then we got the decal sheet. It's kind of somewhat plain. It's got a lot of your little stickers here to put around the car, like the Cobra, the B&M shift if you wanted to put the logos on the side. It's got the front and rear side marker lights, breather, a couple of decals here and there. Not a bad looking little setup here. So, but this was my entry into 50s and 60s on Steelies, and it's brought to you by JT, our buddy over here, and I Need My Garage Time. So go check him out, guys. You'll enjoy his channel. He's got all the rules to it. This starts September the 1st. I don't remember how far it goes, but if you go and watch his videos, he'll tell you how far it goes. And if you want one of my cards, Email will be in the description. I'll be glad to send you one out. All righty. We'll see y'all on the next one. And thank everybody for subscribing and watching and all that stuff that goes with it. Good stuff that goes with it. See y'all later. Bye.